In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Asana. This is really helpful if you're more comfortable working in another language, or if you collaborate with a global team and want your workspace to match your preferred language. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged in to your Asana account and you're on any main page, like your home, My Tasks, or a project view. At the top right corner of the screen, look for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circle with your initials or a profile image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with your personal options. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will open a settings window or panel where you can adjust different preferences related to your account. If you don't see it right away, double check that you clicked on your own profile icon, not a team or workspace menu, because the language option lives under your personal settings. Once your settings window is open, you'll see several tabs across the top or down the side, such as Profile, Notifications, and others. Find the tab called Display and click on it. The display section controls how Asana looks and feels for you, including things like themes and appearance, and this is also where the language settings are located. In the Display tab, scroll or look for the section labeled Language. Here, you should see a drop-down menu or selector that shows your current language. Click on that language drop-down to reveal the list of available languages supported by Asana. Choose the language you want to use by clicking on it in the list. After you select your new language, Asana may take a moment to update the interface. In some cases, it might ask you to refresh the page or it might refresh automatically. Once it reloads, your menus, buttons, and most interface text should now appear in the language you selected. If something doesn't change right away, try manually refreshing your browser. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Asana through your profile settings under the Display tab, so you can now work in